Do you think too much before you speak? You want to say something in English, but your mind stops you. What if I make a mistake? What if people laugh? What if I sound stupid? So you stay quiet. I know this feeling. I lived with it. For years, overthinking is not just thinking. It is fear. It is doubt. It is silence. But here is the truth. The more you think, the less you speak. And the less you speak, the slower you learn. In this story, you will learn how I stopped overthinking and how you can start speaking English every day. I was sitting in a small classroom. The teacher asked a simple question. Can anyone answer? I knew the answer. It was easy, but my heart started to beat fast. My hands felt cold. I started thinking, is my grammar correct? Is my pronunciation good? What if I am wrong? 5 seconds passed, then 10. Another student answered, and I stayed silent. Again. This happened every day. I understood English, but I could not use it. I was trapped in my own mind. Vocabulary highlight. The word trapped means you cannot escape. For example, I felt trapped in my fear. Have you ever felt this way? I think you have. You know more than you say, but your thoughts stop you. That is overthinking. And it is a big problem. One day, something changed. My teacher said, stop trying to be perfect, just speak. At first, I did not believe her, but she explained something important. Making mistakes is part of learning. That sentence stayed in my mind. I started to think differently. Before, I wanted perfect English. Now, I just wanted real communication. This changed everything. Vocabulary highlight. The word perfect means without any mistakes. For example, no one speaks perfect English at the start. I realized something simple. Overthinking is not helping you. It is stopping you. It feels safe. But it is not, because when you overthink, you do nothing. And when you do nothing, you don't improve. The next day, I tried something new. I made a rule for myself. Speak one sentence, just one. Not perfect, not long, just one sentence. The teacher asked a question again. My heart was beating fast, but this time, I spoke. My sentence was not perfect, but it was real. And something amazing happened. Nothing bad. No one laughed. No one judged me. In fact, the teacher smiled. Vocabulary highlight. The word judge means to form an opinion about someone. For example, people are not judging you as much as you think. That moment changed my life. I learned this. Fear is loud in your mind, but quiet in real life. After that day, I changed my strategy. Before, I thought first then spoke. Now, I spoke first, then improved. This was difficult at the beginning. Sometimes I made mistakes. Sometimes I forgot words. But I did not stop, because I understood something powerful. Fluency comes from action, not from thinking. Stop for a second. Think about this. How many times did you stay silent just because you were thinking too much? Read that again. It is important. Vocabulary highlight. The word fluency means speaking smoothly and easily. For example, practice helps you build fluency. I started speaking every day. Short sentences, simple words, but every day. And slowly my confidence grew. I made speaking a daily habit. I spoke to myself. I spoke in front of a mirror. I recorded my voice. At first, it felt strange, but I continued. Because I had a goal. I did not want perfect English. I wanted real communication. Are you still with me? Good, because the best part is coming. One day, I had a conversation with a stranger. It was not perfect, but it was natural. We talked. We laughed. We understood each other. That moment was powerful, because I was not silent anymore. Vocabulary highlight. The word habit means something you do every day. For example, speaking daily is a strong habit. Months passed. Something interesting happened. I stopped thinking before speaking. Words came naturally. Mistakes still happened, but I did not care, because I was improving. Progress affirmation. You are doing so well. Your English is getting better with every word you read. I realized something important. Confidence does not come before action. It comes after action. You don't wait to feel ready. You speak. And then you become ready. Now, let me tell you the truth. Overthinking will not disappear in one day, but you can control it. Step by step. Every time you speak, you win. Every mistake is progress. Every sentence makes you stronger. The word progress means improvement over time. For example, small steps lead to big progress. So change your mindset. Don't say, I must be perfect. Say, I must try. Don't say, I am afraid. Say, I am learning. Repeat this with me. Speak more. Think less. Speak more. Think less. Speak more. Think less. Today, I am not the same person. Before, I was silent. Now, I speak. Before, I was afraid. Now, I try. Before, I overthought everything. Now, I take action. And you can do the same. Your English is not the problem. Your fear is the problem. But fear can change, step by step, one sentence at a time. Here are simple steps to stop overthinking. 1. Speak one sentence every day. Start small. One sentence is enough. Action is more important than perfection. 2. Accept mistakes. Mistakes are not failure. They are learning. Every mistake helps you improve. 3. Practice daily. Make speaking a habit. Even 5 minutes every day is powerful. 4. Change your mindset. Don't wait to feel ready. Speak first, then improve. 5. Focus on communication. The goal is not perfect English. The goal is understanding and connection. Overthinking is a prison, but action is the key. The moment you speak, you become free. You started this story as someone who was thinking too much. You are finishing it as someone ready to act. Keep going. If this story helped you, please like and share it with someone who needs it today. Subscribe to English Avenue. The new story is waiting for you every day. And remember, stop overthinking mistakes. Speak English and improve every day.